Hi guys, this is Tanmaya again. Welcome to my channel. Let's continue with the consonant sounds. So today I am going to take you all through another 4 sounds. Remember, we have a total of 24 sounds. Let's go ahead with the next pair, which is the th and the sound. It may sound funny, but words like thank you, words like with, words like healthy, words like birthday, all these words which have the TH sound, right? The words which involve the spelling TH. On the other hand, there are words which are like weather, feather, mother, father, all these words. The word these even. These 2 sounds, especially interchanging these sounds, all of that. And I really would like to correct you in these sounds, especially these. This is one of my topmost favorite pairs. I love to do these sounds all the time. For the th and the sound, where is the sound produced in the mouth? Let me give you a simple example of the word thank you. Forget about the U part of it, that does not have the TH. Let's talk about the word thank, right? So if I do not know where the sound is produced, this is how I would say it. Thank you, thank you. My tongue is going inside, thank you very much, right? This is how I have heard people saying it, which is incorrect, obviously. And let's move on to another way, which is thank you, thank you. Where the sound is produced in the mouth, like the word mouth. I'm making sure that I'm saying it correctly. So whether it's the th sound or the sound, they come in pairs. Remember, we have been speaking about voiceless consonants and voiced consonants. What happens with the voiceless people? Do you remember? For the voiceless sounds, you can feel the puff of air. Same technique again. Th. You can do it with yourself, otherwise you might just end up spitting on someone. So whenever I say the sound, I do end up spitting. So make sure that no one is around me. So the sound is the same way. Take your upper and lower set of teeth together. Keep a slight gap and let your tongue tip come out. Th. It's not th, it's th. Thank you. So thank you was never thank you. What happens, see, when I said thank you, my tongue is moving inwards, it's rolling. That's incorrect. Or when I say thank you, that's also incorrect. I don't know if there is any other way. You can always tell me if you are pronouncing it that way. But it's thank you very much for hearing me out how this sound is pronounced correctly. And there was a mistake. So there is the same way. So both the teeth have to come together, upper and lower set of teeth I mean, and slightly keep a gap and let your tongue tip move out. Thank you. Practice this every day starting from today. Thank you, right? Or mother, how are you, mother, and not mother. Father, how are you? No, that's not the correct way to say these sounds, right? So it's mother, father. Whether you like it or you don't, that's the right way to pronounce these sounds. Now you know where these sounds are produced. Let's practice a few words that have these sounds, like th, which is the voiceless, and the, which is the voice sound. Okay? Here we go. Thought. Birthday. Oh, this is another word which is crucified. Happy birthday. I've heard this word pronounce it like this, you know. Happy birthday. It's not birthday, it's birth. Don't kill the th sound just because it's coming in the middle of the word. You're not supposed to do that. So it's birthday. Okay, birthday. You have to make a conscious effort. See, even when I'm saying the word effort, I'm making sure I am biting the f sound. Remember last episode we have done f. Remember to bite that, okay? Third, I'm talking about the number in case you're not able to understand what I'm trying to say here. Something, not something, thing. Your th has to come out every time, not something. Now when I'm saying something, it's staying inside. Something. Bathtub. Okay, let's look at a few examples with the sound. Breathe, father, mother, weather, together. Let's practice a few sentences that have the th and the sound. Okay, here we go. I thought your birthday was on the 3rd. There is something in the bathtub. They caught the thief on last Thursday. Getting my point? Now let's move on to the sound. The weather is pleasant today. My father and mother are healthy. Now let me tell you about this word healthy. Healthy. I'm very healthy right now. I have heard this. But it's the soft sound, the voiceless sound. Healthy. Okay? These are the feathers of a peacock. Now our next pair for today is the k sound, k, and the g sound. Okay? Now k was never k for kite or k for call me tomorrow. No, it's k. Remember the same technique again. For k, if you place the palm in front of your mouth, k. Do that. You will know there is a puff of air. Every time, if you're saying the sound correctly, you will be able to feel the puff of air. That doesn't mean that every time you speak, you have to keep holding the palm in front of your mouth. Okay? And the second sound, which is the g sound. Let me tell you where these sounds are produced in your mouth. Okay? So, the k sound and the g sound. If you look at my mouth right now, the k, when I say the k, what is happening is, let me tell you a difference here first. You have two types of palates, right? The hard palate and the soft palate. Take your finger, right? The pointer finger, and touch here. This is your pointer finger. This is the hard palate. You can see that it's hard. Move it slightly behind. It's the soft palate. It becomes a little softer. Why I am doing all this and asking you to do is only then you will know where the sound is produced in your mouth, and only then you will be able to pronounce it correctly. That is the whole point of this exercise, okay? So look here again. Hard palate. Move a little behind. Soft palate. Now when you say the k sound or the g sound, the back of your tongue, the back of your tongue will touch the soft palate and drop down. See, k, it's dropping down, k, g. Again, for k sound, k, for g sound, place the two finger technique on your throat. The vocal cords are going to vibrate. You will feel the vibration. G, g. Same, so the position in your mouth for both the sounds is absolutely the same, okay? Whether it's k or g. Remember where it's produced. The back of your tongue touches the soft palate and drops down. K, g. Now let's practice a few examples with these sounds, the k sound and the g sound. Truck, black, question, quick, kids, customer. Now let me tell you here, whether the spelling involves a K or a C or a Q, the sound will be K, depending on the spelling also. Like if it's a word that has CH, it will be ch, it will be chocolate, it will not be cocklet, right? So when I talk about these examples, I am telling you specifically with respect to these words, right? Now let's talk about the words which have the g sound. Dialogue, guest, green, grapes. Well, let's take a name, Greg. Time to practice some sentences that have these sounds, okay? I have a quick question about the black truck. Kids like to play carom and cricket. Or let me say cricket and then carom, because cricket is more popular, right? Can I call Chris tomorrow? Now the g sound. Greg got us some green grapes. The guests liked our garden. The dialogue was longer than the play. How funny, ha ha ha. Right? It does happen that sometimes the dialogues go longer than the play. I hope you have learned a lot today, right? We have covered almost 12 consonant sounds now. Let me know what you feel in the comment section. You can also ask your questions. If you liked my video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates. Stay tuned.